Hello everyone, in today's video we'll be installing the Blitz Power Type LM Short Ram air intake on our 2023 BRZ. In our last video we installed the Blitz suction kit, and today we are completing the full intake system by adding the SUSPower air cleaner kit. The Type LM air filter is a replaceable dry filter constructed with stainless steel mesh and cotton. The kit also contains the MAF sensor adapter and the mounting bracket, so you can use it with either your stock intake hose or the Blitz stainless steel suction tube. To get started, unclip the MAF sensor. There are 3 10mm bolts that need to be removed to take off the stock intake box. Unscrew the hose clamp on the intake tube and you can pull out the whole front portion of the intake. You can skip this next part if you're keeping your stock rubber intake tube, but since we're also installing the Blitz suction kit, we'll unclip the PCV hose and unscrew the clamp to remove the tube from the throttle body. We'll be reusing the factory MAF sensor, so go ahead and unscrew it from the air box. The Blitz kit contains an extra rubber O-ring that needs to be fit on the MAF sensor to properly seal, so go ahead and put that on now. Use the flat silver screws to attach the mounting plate to the plastic tubing section. Install the MAF sensor to the mounting plate by using the 2 small Phillips screws and the silver washers. Make sure it's a tight seal. Take the MAF sensor tube and attach it to the filter mount. There is one longer screw that will be used for attaching the L bracket. The manual says to mount it to the top hole closest to the MAF sensor, but after test fitting it, we found it worked better to use the bottom hole. Attach the rubber coupler and metal pipe section to the other end of the plastic tube and clamp it on using the provided hose clamps. Now you can attach the filter itself. Here's what the completed assembly looks like. You can see we ended up moving the L bracket to the bottom mounting hole. Now you can put the heat shield in place. Use the provided zip tie and attach the plate to the radiator fan shroud. The hole on the top should line up with the factory airbox mounting point. Here we put the Blitz suction kit back in place. Check out our previous video if you need more detail on assembling it. If you're using the factory hose, you can skip this part. The completed air filter assembly slides into either the Blitz tube or the factory air tube the same way. Just tighten the hose clamp securely. Next, you need to attach the L bracket through the heat shield onto the factory airbox mounting hole using the provided screw. We left the screw on the air filter side slightly loose so it would make positioning everything easier. Once the bracket is secured, tighten that screw as well. Now attach the MAF sensor and PCV hose and you're all finished. The intake looks amazing, but the best part is the sound. The induction note under full throttle is super aggressive and deep and brings out the character of the Boxer engine so much more than the stock airbox. I think heat soak is a concern with this intake since it's not sealed like the K&N or MST intakes, but only time will tell if it becomes an issue. Stay tuned for some comparison sound clips of stock versus Blitz. Let us know what you think in the comments as well, and please like and subscribe for more BRZ content.